Hey everyone, I'm Hannah, your Excel teacher from Sheet Leveler, and today we're diving into one of my favorite little tricks, adding checkboxes in Excel. There's something super satisfying about checking off a task once it's done, right? Well, good news. You can bring that same feeling to Excel. Before we can insert checkboxes, we need to access the Developer tab. If you don't see it in your ribbon, don't worry. Here's how to add it. Click on the File tab. Select Options. Go to Customize ribbon. In the list of main tabs, check the box for Developer. Click OK to save the changes. Now you should see the Developer tab in your ribbon, which unlocks all kinds of powerful Excel features. Alright, now that we have the Developer tab, let's add our checkboxes. Click on the Developer tab. Open the Insert drop-down. Under Form Controls, select the checkbox icon. Click and drag in the cell where you want to place your checkbox. Boom! You've got yourself a checkbox. But wait, it comes with text next to it, which we don't need. Simply click on the text, delete it, and you're left with just the checkbox. Now let's make sure our checkboxes are perfectly aligned. Right-click the checkbox and adjust its size and position to fit neatly in the cell. To center it, you can tweak its alignment manually. Once you have one checkbox in place, no need to repeat the process over and over. Just copy and paste it down the column using the autofill handle. Now every task on your list has its own checkbox. Want to take this a step further? You can link your checkboxes to a cell so Excel can recognize when a task is completed. Here's how. Right-click the checkbox and select Format Control. Under the Control tab, in the Cell Link field, select the cell next to the checkbox. Click OK. Now, whenever you check a box, Excel will enter true in the linked cell, and when it's unchecked, it will show false. This opens the door for some cool conditional formatting tricks, like automatically crossing off completed tasks. And that's it. You've now added interactive checkboxes to your Excel sheet, making your to-do lists way more dynamic. Try it out for yourself. Pause the video and follow along. If you run into any issues, drop a comment below, and I'll be happy to help. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an Excel tip. Excel is such a powerful tool once you get the hang of it, and I'm so excited to be on this learning journey with you. See you in the next video.